For French tutoring and the best IB French resources, head to nathanstutoring.com. Hey everyone, here are IB French Paper 1 Strategies for Getting a 7. Bonjour à tous et dans cette vidéo, on va discuter les stratégies pour obtenir un 7 sur le papier 1 de français B niveau moyen. So if you want to get a 7 on the IB French Paper 1 writing exam, practice this drill. This is a 50-word drill. In 50 words, you want to practice using 3 C phrases, 3 French idioms, and 4 linking words. This will help you practice memorizing advanced vocabulary and using it more frequently. If you can use it in 50 words, it'll be easier to repeat over and over in 250 words. But you can identify your mistakes a lot easier by writing a shorter excerpt. For a C phrase in French, I could say something like, Si j'avais su le danger, je n'aurais pas fait cette décision. Which means like, if I had known the danger, I would not have made this decision. So I'm using plus que parfait, si j'avais su, and conditionnel passé, je n'aurais pas fait. Very useful tenses to learn. For writing, some of the best French idioms to use are like j'ai le cafard, which means I am sad. I could say j'ai le cafard quand je vois la souffrance des autres. I am sad when I see the suffering of others. Something like that is a good expression to use in French that incorporates a French idiomatic expression. I could also use mettre le paquet. So I could say like, dans cette occasion, j'ai dû vraiment mettre le paquet. During this occasion, I really had to go all in. So mettre le paquet means to go all in. So I said, j'ai dû vraiment mettre le paquet. I really had to go all in. So that's a good expression you want to use in French. Mettre le paquet or avoir le cafard. Those are all useful French idioms that you can fit naturally into your writing. That's going to elevate your vocabulary level and demonstrate French vocabulary mastery. And then for linking words, these are all critical. You can use simple ones like d'abord, which means first off, de plus, which means as well, également, which means also, bien que, which means like although. Those are all useful linking words you want to fit naturally into your writing. So practice a high frequency of linking words, C phrases, and French idioms. They're going to show the highest level of vocabulary comprehension because you're using an array of tenses with the C phrases, you're using good sentence starters with the linking words, and with the idiomatic expressions, it's showcasing a depth of French comprehension. Really useful. That's probably the best way to get a 7 on the paper 1. Practice that 50-word drill with C phrases, linking words, and idioms. If you want to learn how to master a lot of these drills, do more French drills for memorizing vocabulary, join my French classes on nathanstutoring.com. And also check out some of my vocabulary guides to learn more. Merci et bonne chance. Thank you and good luck.